Would you like to be able to earn affiliate commissions like this day in and day out? You're looking at the commissions that I made yesterday using 100% free traffic that was generated at the touch of a button using my brand new software. These days, results like this are typical. It's not uncommon for me to make $3,000 per day in affiliate commissions. But let me tell you, I wasn't always this successful online. When I started, I struggled to make money the same way that you're struggling right now. I wasted my hard-earned cash on products that overpromised and underdelivered. I endured sleepless nights wondering if I would be able to pay my bills at the end of the month. I argued with people who told me that it was never going to work. At times, my self-esteem was so low that I could barely look at myself in the mirror. I struggled for almost 2 years before all the pieces of the jigsaw fell into place, and I finally started seeing success consistently. If you'd like to know how you can replicate my path from failure to success story, I strongly suggest that you pay very close attention to this short video. If you're not making enough money online, what that really means is you do not know how to drive targeted traffic. You see, once you master the art of driving targeted traffic, making money online is actually pretty simple. For example, to succeed as an affiliate marketer, your one and only job is to drive targeted traffic. The vendor does all of the heavy lifting. They create the product, they sell the product, they handle the product delivery and buyer support. Affiliates drive the traffic and make money. That's all affiliate marketing really is. But driving targeted traffic isn't easy. And that's why companies like Google and Facebook can charge $1 to $10 per click, because they know that traffic is the most precious commodity online. And that's why I had my team of experts develop a revolutionary software product that would handle all of our traffic generation for us on complete autopilot. Introducing Echo. Echo is a revolutionary cloud-based traffic software tool that drives waves of free targeted traffic to any website or link. How does it work? Echo uses a method called repurposing. Echo places valuable existing content that is 100% free to use in parts of the internet where it can go viral, sending hordes of hungry buyers through your links so you don't have to create any content yourself. All it takes is 3 steps. Step 1, set up your profile. Step 2, select a niche. Step 3, click for traffic. And boom, you can make sales like this. Without a website, without sales funnels, without squeeze pages, without blogging, without hosting, without any paid ads, without any forum posting, without any content or video creation. Enabling anyone to make hands-off affiliate sales 24/7, even if you're a complete marketing beginner. So you too can experience the laptop lifestyle and take your family on expensive vacations. Treat yourself to something special, like that car you've always dreamed about. Give your family the best life possible. Upgrade your home, make money while traveling, make money while you sleep. Live the life you have always dreamed about. So let's cut to the chase. How much is this life-changing virtual ATM going to cost you? Well, I think you would agree that a software that enables you to make sales day in and day out on complete autopilot would be worth every penny of $997. But I'm not going to charge you that, and here's why. The affiliate marketing industry is worth billions of dollars, so there's more than enough space for us all to succeed. And I know that 99.9% of struggling beginners would not be able to afford $997 up front. If I go back 10 years, I certainly couldn't afford that. And my intention isn't to make lots of money from selling Echo. After all, I'm already killing it with affiliate marketing. My intention is to help struggling beginners because I remember the days when I was standing in your shoes. So here's the deal. Today only, I'm going to give you the opportunity to get your hands on Echo for an incredible one-time only investment. And it's not going to cost you $997. Not $497, not $97, not even $47. That's right, for a very limited time, you can invest in Echo for less than the price of a pizza. But this opportunity is strictly limited. Every hour today, we're raising the price, so you need to act immediately to get the best possible deal. Tomorrow, we're reverting to a monthly subscription. So you have less than 24 hours to lock in your spot for a one-time only investment. Finally, we're offering the fantastic bonuses listed on this page for the first 100 buyers. That includes a sneak peek into the hottest secret loophole cash system that netted an extra $25,000 in monthly recurring income. The bonuses alone are worth thousands of dollars. So you need to act right now to lock in your spot. If you think too long, you're likely to miss out on this incredible deal. And just to make this a complete no-brainer, we're including a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk to you. Just look at how much we've withdrawn in the last year with this system. Over $315,000. So if you want to replicate my success, you need to do what I'm doing. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the buy button below to get instant access to Echo before the price goes up.